Hi, my name is Alyssa Murphy, and this is my page, Saturday Siren Tutorials. Every Saturday at noon, that's Central Standard Time, I'm here in Oklahoma City. When you hear the tornado sirens, I go live on Facebook and I dissect a look, or will build a look from the ground up. So my page is dedicated to anyone who is inexperienced with makeup, women of all ages, backgrounds. I'm here to answer questions and to help people enter the world of beauty. So I've been doing makeup for about 10 years. I have about 8 years of retail experience. I've worked for brands, nice department store brands like MAC Cosmetics. I was there for 3 years. I still have a freelance career, so I still see clients from time to time, but I'm focused on teaching. So I want to teach women how to be empowered by makeup. As an artist, I've always had the issue of being able to do somebody's makeup, but then once they leave my chair, they have no idea how to do that for themselves. So my page is dedicated to empowering you to do makeup and to create looks that make you feel as powerful as you are. So please join me every Saturday at noon. I'm in the process of launching a YouTube channel, so there will be more to come on that, but I would love to have you on my page, and I'd love to help you navigate this big, brave world of beauty. So thanks for stopping by. Please come in and like my page.